To add EveryDollar budget categories, start by logging into your account and navigating to the budgeting section. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that helps you manage your finances by categorizing your income and expenses. The first step is to identify the categories you want to add to your budget. EveryDollar provides pre-built categories such as housing, transportation, and food, but you can also create custom categories that fit your specific needs. Consider your financial goals and expenses to determine which categories are most relevant to you. To add a new category, click on the Add Category button and enter the name of the category you want to create. You can also add a description and set a budgeted amount for the category. For example, if you want to create a category for entertainment, you can set a budgeted amount of $500 per month. Once you have added your categories, you can start tracking your expenses by assigning transactions to each category. This will help you stay on top of your spending and ensure that you are staying within your budget. You can also set reminders and alerts to notify you when you have gone over budget in a particular category. Best practices for adding EveryDollar budget categories include regularly reviewing and updating your categories to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. You should also make sure to track every transaction, no matter how small, to get an accurate picture of your spending habits. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use EveryDollar budget categories to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay consistent and patient, as budgeting is a process that takes time and effort to master. With EveryDollar, you can create a personalized budget that works for you and helps you achieve financial stability and success.